Why did you choose Cornwell?
I spoke with many other companies. This one's more family oriented and it's way more personable, better communication between everybody, very cut and dry, and I like that. The fact that it's family owned, smaller business, they listen to everything we have for feedback. It's not as difficult to run this versus some of the other struggles I see people have. So our district, they have the group message. We all communicate, we all hang out, we all talk to each other. We help each other if we can't get certain stuff. If we're stumped on something, computer problems, inventory stuff, we all help each other out. So it makes it a lot easier. We do barbecues together, we hang out on birthdays. We're all close friends now. We've built a nice, tight relationship between all of us.
How long did you think about changing careers before you did?
Thought about it for a while. I wanted to do it once I just couldn't be a mechanic anymore physically, and I was just kind of getting to that point where getting a little more sore and it was time to look into something else. And then my friend joined and he said it was a great idea and he wished he did it sooner, so I took the leap. When you pull up at shops, people love it. They don't like having to go out and get stuff. You get to check in with everybody once a week, see how everybody is, and it's just a much more comforting feeling. They have questions or problems, they can't figure something out, they can come to us and ask. We can help them out.
Do you have any help in your business with family or friends?
Yes, I have a couple friends that help me out, and then my wife also helps me out. I mean, I like it a lot. It's just nice having your own company, you're your own boss, you have complete control. If you're having a bad day, it's in your control to change that. Nobody else can change it. It's just very rewarding.
What advice do you have for someone considering becoming a tool dealer?
Try it out. If you wait longer, you're just gonna regret it once you do it, because once you start doing it, you realize it's not as hard as you might think it is. My biggest advice is a lot of these guys get nervous when they see a woman, and I think it's more or less because they want to be gentlemen, but once they realize you're just like them, it just all falls into place. That's the biggest difference, I'd have to say. Some people get very nervous in the beginning, but I've always been in a shop, so I'm kind of used to that. And then once they hear me talk, they're usually okay. You can be your own boss. I'm Libby, and I am a Cornwell dealer.